Hey bro, so few things here. I did send you photos for the team and photos for the individuals. So from this, everything goes well because when they send us the logo, we will add it here. This is all good, good, good. For this page, Meet Team West, I think we should be able to use uh, this photo as whole without cutting the background and everything. So we should just keep this in this place, and the blurb, we don't need a blurb here, or blurb can be below if they send us the blurb. So I sent this photo to you. Secondly, he did send the photos of their individuals, as you can see here, and it needs to be added here, and then we will start from there. Please do these changes and let me know. Thanks.